Let's go. Ew. We out here doing a little local ride. See if I can't get a little warm-up wheelie. That wasn't really nothing. We're out here gonna do a little local ride here on this beautiful Saturday. It's a little bit hot, but now we're moving, we're good.
Does not feel like the city, bro.
Oh yeah. You pumping it? You wanna go?
My rear brake was not adjusted.
Woo! Gonna make our way over to the river here. Do a little swimming. Because it is hot today, boys. Woohoo! Woohoo! Should be a fun day, though, riding dirt bikes. Woo. Yep. On a side note, a few days ago we hit 1,000 subscribers, so that's freaking awesome. I appreciate y'all for watching these videos. I really like making them, and I'm gonna keep coming hard with the dirt bike content and the KLX content specifically. I know you guys seem to like that the most. I also got some new levers coming in. Should be in here today. If I throw them on before I post this video, I'll link them in the description if I get them on and I like them and everything. But I'll talk about those in the next video for sure. They were cheap. They were like 40 bucks. I don't really mind this bent out clutch lever, but brand new bike, a little bit sore to the eye. Might as well get some new ones. And these ones that are coming in are all black, so it should make it look, it should look really good. But yeah, we're making our way over to a little swim spot on the river here, because it is toasty out today. It's probably about 90-95 degrees. It's been real hot here recently. Whoop! This trail is a little grown over. Usually this spot is very muddy, just how close it is to the river and how shaded it is, but dang!
It's a struggle right here.
Yeah, it's dry.
There.
See how soft it is. You got it.
I got 3 people.
Woo! I'm gonna go to the side. Uh-oh. There we go. That's some soft stuff still. There you go. Good. Yeah. Dang, like the whole little creek back here, it's like a runoff of the river. It's all dried out. Woo, sandy in some of these spots for sure. Real sandy. Whoa! Ah! That's hard. Oh, that hurts. We got that good old creek crossing coming up. Damn. Uh-oh, here he goes. It's pretty dry, so the creek's not too deep, but we'll see. It's real rocky still. A lot. Boast my shoes. Oh no! Let's see if he needs help. There you go. You good? Yeah. You made it!
You got cooled off a little there, eh? A
Oh, the Standout really goes hard. That's how I'm getting up though. Hey, over there might be easier. He passed it?
Yeah.
You're up.
You don't know how to start it. No, I don't. Here, hold my bike, I'll get him.
Okay. Uh-oh. Hold up. Hopefully the wire just came out. Oh, no. Damn, my bad. You think you could tighten it down in there and still have it use?
No, that little pin.
It
was probably on its last leg and you dropped it.
Damn, I feel bad. Well, there he goes. I'm sweating bullets right now. Well, in other news, we're almost to the spot to swim, so we'll cool off a little bit, figure it out. Alright, we made it to the swim spot.
I guess you could say I know how to ride.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, Ski.
Alright, everybody, I was going down this hill climb, lost my wallet and my GoPro. I had a little spill. Oh my god, this is steep. But I don't have the GoPro little screw to go back into my helmet, so this is gonna be the end of the video. But I'm just glad I found this thing. This is a $500 camera with the media mod. But thank you everybody for watching. Please subscribe for this. Oh my god. And drop a like. And I will see you guys in the next video here soon. All right, thank you guys.